Hello, Mari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today we're presenting you the most high-end gas Class A motorhome. It's the Georgetown G7. It's a full body paint. It's sitting on a bigger chassis. I am admiring the colors of outside in the black and the gray, the one-piece windshield in the front, the frameless window, the outside TV. But the most beauty about this size is only 31 feet. So it's easy to drive, easy to park. You could get it any state park campground with no problem. One of the features outside, one-piece windshield. It's all full body paint with LED light. It's sitting on a V8 Ford chassis. Elco rims, so they are solid aluminum rims with Michelin tires. Outside TV, outside speakers with a stereo system as you see right here. All these compartments are slam lug doors, inverters, 12-gallon hot water heaters, pass-through storage, slide out with the slide toppers. On the G7, you're gonna get a one-piece fiberglass aluminum cap in the back with a class 3 hitch and 7-way plug. This is one-piece aerodynamic fiberglass cap with a backup camera. All these luggages. This is your power cord, 50 amp service, and one docking station with the water filtrations and outside sprayers, and that's where you hook up all your water system. As well, you have a big generators where you could run everything inside the unit with no question asked, with inverter technology. And then you could see all these basement storage. This is where you dump your black and gray, and you could do it inside with no problem. I mean, another storage here. This is the mud flap behind the motorhome, and the ladder come with it. We store it here. Another storage. Pass-through storage, another storage here, again another compartment storage. They don't waste any space. They give you, and then here's your big propane tank, another big slide out in the living with the frameless window, a slide toppers. It has power mirrors with heated, and you have the 3 cameras, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, as well one in the back. 3 cameras. Nice, beautiful grill in the front of the G7. So this is one of the nice features on the Georgetown 31X7. I love this motorhome. I mean, if I have the time, guess what? I'll be buying this motorhome and hitting the road. Now, in the G7, as you see, it comes with a really nice 3 electric step. So as you see, it's easy to get in. The awning has the cover on the cabin, so the awning will not separate it from the heat because it has the middle cover on the awning with the power LED light. Let's go inside and check the 31X7. G7 is completely different than the G5 and the FR3. You're gonna see a lot of high-end stuff here. The first thing I want to emphasize is the ceiling. As you see, the ceiling is soft touch ceiling. It gives you better sound, better installation in the roof. Another thing, you can see all these lights. It's all LED strips, and you could control it in one screen, and it's a touch screen. Now, the major thing, you look in the living area from the theater ceiling. Those theater ceiling, you could run them, their lights, you could recline them, you could do all this one as electric. So you could see I'm sitting here, sitting relaxed, enjoying. And I could do that while I'm driving. They run a 12-volt system. They have even, I could feel it, massage, heat, and you know, vibration. Like I could see my back is vibrating, and I could do all this one here. USB plug. I love this. Look, guys. Here's the touch. The nice LED inside my compartments of storage. You have multiple USB plugs, as you see inside. So I could plug a phone here, a laptop here, you name it. Oh, I'm relaxed. I'm enjoying it. Thanks. All right. So nice high-end theater seating with a middle console and power inside the middle console. Run on 12 volts, and you could control all this right here, and it's heated and massage, and they have light. So that's one feature they provide. Additional to that, you have a solid cabinet door. So these are not paper wrap. This is a solid wood doors with glazed. All the balances on you go to the G7 is 2 layers. You have at nighttime, you have daytime. So this is daytime, and all the windows, they have the solid wood balances and trim around the windows solid, so you don't see the screws in the frame of the window. And then you have, here's the night one. So day and night roller shade on the G7. High-end recliners. And you can see they lit. Okay. Another advantage on when it comes to the dinette, they give you a solid countertop on the dinette table with a cup holder, no legs. I love this because I hate these dinettes where they have the post. They hit your knees and you just like, oops. You don't have that problem. I'm sitting here comfy. I could sit easy another person. So this dinette will hold easy big adults with no problem. Cushion, and then again this turned down to a bed with a nice LED. All these high-end LED lights on this unit, and you could see there's some of them on switch you could control. Now the beauty about this one, you have a nice 110 fireplace. This fireplace, not just for the look, as actually it produces heat, and it really could heat this area if you just kind of want to take the cold ship. Now coming to the kitchen, as you see, it's beautiful solid surface countertop with extension countertop. There's extension. So you have a nice extension countertop with a room to the left side of the sink or right of the sink. Very plenty of room for prepping area, prepping food. They have multifunction sink with the 3 water source. So you have the waterfall, you have the high-rise faucet, you have the cup prints, you have the soap dispensers, and multiple trays to work on your sink. So we call them the 3-way sink. And it's flush, beautiful. And then here's you have a 40-inch smart TV. And the nice thing about this smart TV, it run off 12 volts. You don't have to run your generator to watch a TV on this unit. Also, they don't waste the space. They give you a full storage with a shock, holds your owner manuals, your controller for DVD, CD, even the sunlight. Beautiful. Again, this is not a paper wrap. This is a solid wood. That's a big deal on the G7. The TV, you could watch it straight from the theater seating and the dinette, as well in the kitchen, so you have no problem. Going to the appliances of the kitchens, we have a nice 30-inch microwave, as you see, the storage, and then you have residential. I love this. Feel it. Feel how solid this solid surface. You have a solid surface to give you more counter space. You have a nice residential Furrion. Yes, it is Furrion. You have LP gas 3-burner stove. Put this one back, and again, I like about it's flush. And then you have the nice oven, Furrion. All these doors, they're self-closing. There's a place for trash can, very roomy. You can put your trash can and whatever you want to put there. There's all your 800 number for roadside assistance, for Ford and for server. As you see, this is really nice. Has the LG residential refrigerator with the ice maker. As you see, there's an ice maker right there. It's a brand new. And then, ladies, you don't complain about pantry because you have a really deep pantry here. You could put all your cereals, doors for your spices, your sugars, your flours, rice, whatever you want to fill it, and they're solid wood again, and they're self-closing. Now, the beauty about this one, I have a full privacy in my Georgetown G731. So if I close this door right now, voila, no one could see my bathroom, no one could see my bedroom. I have full privacy. All people coming in here, enjoying my living area, enjoying my motorhome, but they don't have to see anything. If I want to use the bathroom, voila, I have a nice standing shower here with gel coated cap, very roomy for height wise, elbow, shower head, seat area, and a nice glass latch. And you could see 3 layers glass doors, so no water come outside. You have the closing latch, and then coming over here, I love this trick. They attach this door to this corner, so you have, and I could close this one. If the cameraman go in the shower, I'll show you what I mean. So now the cameraman is in the shower, and I'm closing this. Now I have my own bathroom. I'm closing this door, I'm closing this door. I could use my toilet, I could use my sink, I could use my cabinet. I take a shower, I dress up. It's like I have my own bathroom. So you have a nice, even on the G7, the vanity of the bathroom is solid service, and a high-end faucet, a really nice medicine cabinet, place for linens, another closet, you could use it for his and her, and a porcelain toilet, more room areas to put more chemicals, whatever. So I could wash my hand, use the bathroom, take a showers, come back. By closing this door to the left and this door to the right, I have full privacy. Now, if I want to use my bedroom, I close this door. Now I could go to my bedroom, grab the clothes, take a shower, dressed up. Again, no one see that in my living room what is going on here. Coming to the bedroom, I love this versatile king size bed. So this is already reclined and it's electric. Just push a switch on the main screen. It recline up and down. You have 2 windows for window circulations. You have window in the back, also window in the back of the bed and window back of the bedroom. 20 storage. Don't complain about storage because look how big this closet. This is the table go between the 2 chairs. A lot of doors for, and they're deep. You know, jeans, you name it. Socks, underwears, blouse, you name it. So there's all the storage. Plus you have 32-inch smart TV facing the king size bed. Also you have a hidden storage behind it. You could utilize that. They come already with a full stackable washer and dryer. Come with the unit. So I could grab my towel here from the dryers, take a shower. I could grab my clothes from the washer, whatever's. I could dress up, ready. I could go to my bed, go to the bathroom, go to the shower, grab a clothes, and again, full privacy. No one could see me from this door. So that's what about the 31X7 is complete. Come with 2 ACs, combo washer dryer, 6-point auto leveling system, full body paint, 2 slide out, slide toppers, 3 TVs, 1 in the living, one in the living, 1 in the bedroom, 1 outside. It has an electric bunk up and down in the front if you want to bring more people to sit. So you name it, it's loaded. So now I could open this. I'm back to my beautiful motorhome. This one, what I really like on the dashboard, let me show you here. And not. It's a typical Ford chassis. This is the controller over there in the corner for the auto leveling system. It's a Ford Auto. It has electric shade in the front. You have even light for the dimmer lights for the upper bunk. There also a backup camera. Look how big the screen, and you could go back home, and it's a full system, Sony system with CarPlay, AutoPlay, iPhone and Android, full air conditioned heating, heated mirrors, nice seat. These seats actually they twist and they come with a table. You could sit here and have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you could have easy 7 people socialize and have nice conversation. Now it comes with the upper bed. In order to run this bed, you have to turn the ignition off. for safety features. So let me turn the ignition off first. So now the ignition off, then I could go to the controller over here. And again, you guys, you should see that controller. It's amazing. It give you and then you could say bed slide, door awning, bed tilt, front bunk, and then I go down on the front bunk, and as you see, the front bunk is coming down, and look how bright it is. It come with a net, come with a ladder, so you don't have to worry about. Voila, this is the net. You could have it. I mean, the reason why we don't put the net just for picture videos, but it come with a net. It's a nice bed, and it's go up and down straight. You could sleep easy 2 people here. You could sleep 1 to 2 people on the dinette, so that's 4 or 5, it depends the size, and 2 in the back. 31X7, if it's for somebody looking for Class A gas, and he don't want it too small, he don't want it too big. 31 is kind of the size in between. I mean, it's not too big, not too small, easy to drive, easy to maneuver, but it has all high-end Class A features and benefit in it. And that's what you're gonna find out in the Georgetown G7. It's top of the line. I mean, I don't know, I could go more I mean, I could create 2-3 videos just in features and benefit. Come to Best RV, grab the G7. We have the lowest price you ever find on this motorhome in the state of California. Guarantee you, no one will match our price, and will make it worth it. No hidden fees, no gimmick fees, no PDI fees. We make it ready where you turn ignition and go camping at a price you could afford. Come to Best RV and look at the 31X7 G7.